The time is 1 o'clock in the morning. The place is the Rita's Town Art Gallery. A window opens and a man comes in. His name is Harry Black and he is a thief. It is dark in the art gallery, but Harry has a light. He looks across the room at a painting. There it is, he says. Harry moves quickly across the room. He stands and looks at the painting. $1 million for this. He thinks, I don't understand it. But he takes a knife from his coat. Then he takes the painting very slowly from its frame. Harry goes back across the room to the window, but he walks into a table. There is a beautiful blue glass vase on the table. It falls on the floor and breaks into 100 pieces. Harry smiles. Is that $1 million vase? He thinks it isn't now. He runs across the pieces of glass to the window. Harry has a room in Mrs. Alien's rooming house. He goes quietly up to his room and closes the door. Mrs. Alien and her daughter Jenny are sleeping. They don't hear him. In his room, Harry takes the painting from his bag. He puts it in a newspaper. Then he puts the newspaper under his bed. In the morning, Jenny Ellen is in the kitchen. She is putting old bottles into a box. Recycling is important, Jenny thinks. On the TV, a reporter is at the Wrightwell Art Gallery. He is talking about the painting. It is $1 million painting, he is saying. Here is a photo of it. Now the reporter is talking about the blue glass vase. It is in 100 pieces now, he says. Jenny looks at the photo of the vase. Then she asks her mother, do you have any old bottles? No, Mrs. Alien says. That is all, Jenny. But the newspaper recycling truck is coming today. Of course, Jenny says. It's Friday. Harry is not in his room. He is talking on his telephone to a man in Seattle. The man wants the painting, but Harry is not happy. $5,000, Harry says. No, it is $1 million painting. What? No, I want 50,000, not 5. What? The painting? Yes, I have it and it's okay. Jenny is looking for old newspapers early on Friday mornings. She takes them from every room in the house. Then later, the newspaper recycling truck arrives. Jenny opens Harry's door and looks into his room. She always takes his old newspapers or bottles for recycling. Oh, she thinks. There is a newspaper under Harry's bed. Jenny puts the old papers into a black recycling box. She runs from the house and sees the truck. Wait, she says, and she quickly gives the box to one of the men. Hari is coming back to the house. He sees the recycling truck and he sees Jenny. It's Friday, he says. The newspaper. Oh no! Hari chases after the truck. Wait, wait, he says. Jenny watches him. What is the he doing? She thinks. Hari jumps into the back of the truck. I want my newspaper, he says. Where is my newspaper? But there are thousands of newspapers in the truck. Jenny walks quickly from the house to the truck. Why is your newspaper important, Hari? She asks. It's 2 days old. But Hari doesn't hear her. He is thinking, my $1,000,000 painting, where is it? The men from the recycle truck are watching Hari too. But now Jenny is looking at Hari's shoe. There is some blue glass in Hari's shoe. Jenny thinks, where? Oh. Suddenly she remembers the photo of the blue glass vase on the TV. She looks again at the piece of glass in Hari's shoe. Is it from the vase in the art gallery? She thinks. Is Hari Black the thief? The men from the recycle truck are angry. We are going now. They are saying we are late. But I want my newspaper, Hari says. In the house, Jenny is talking to the police on the telephone. Maybe I am wrong, she is saying. But there is blue glass in his shoe. What? Yes, he is looking for the newspaper now. Two policemen arrive quickly. Let's look at your shoe, they say to Hari. Hari doesn't understand. What is wrong? He asks. One of the policemen takes the glass from Hari's shoe. This is a very expensive piece of glass, he says. From a very expensive vase, remember? Suddenly Hari understands. Oh no, he says. Police cars and policemen arrive. The men look in the truck for the $1,000,000 painting. Later they find the right newspaper and they find the painting. Good work, Jenny, one of the policemen says, and there is a reward. Maybe I can buy a painting with the reward. Jenny says, I like pictures. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, my all dear friends. Have a nice day all friends.